Good evening. My name is Pradeep Maurya, and here I am going to establish connection between IP phones using Cisco Packet Tracer. For this, I am taking IP phones. Here, let's consider five IP phone. So for this, I am taking five IP phone. That is okay. Five IP phones. Okay, this is the five IP phones, and now I'm taking switch and router. For switch, I'm taking uh, 2960 switch. We can take any switch, but here I'm taking 2960 switch, and for router I'm taking 2811 router. Okay, 2811 router. So I'm going to the connection between a switch and first IP phone. For this I'm taking an wire, and this wire is okay. We want to connect this switch, so connect switch. Okay, okay, so this is the connection. Okay, consider, and now I'm going to the connection between switch and router. So router and first 001. Okay, so this is the switch, first router connection. So this is the symbol of red sign, so I want to give the cable of first IP phone, that is okay, this is the physical of this IP phone, so we can zoom it. Okay, zoom it, and we can see this is the port. So here we can port, so this is the sign of green line. We can establish it, so this is established. I want to the switching mode. So for switching mode, first we establish the configuration of CLI. For this I am going to the configuration of switching mode. So switching configuration we enable first. Okay, enable, and configure. Okay, terminal. So this is the config terminal, and I want to give the interference range to interface range. So this is the five phones. So interface range should be 1 to 5. So for this use command fa 0 slash 1 to 5. Okay, 5. So this is the interface range established. We want to the switch mode, so switch port mode access. Okay, switch port mode access is it's completed. Now I want to voice VLAN, that is switch port voice VLAN first one, VLAN 1. Okay, this is the completed of super. So we can exit from here, no need to exit. Okay, so we can close this window and going to the window in the router. So for router, this I want to the give the IP address of the router configuration. You can see this here that is no IP address and no subnet mask. So first we give the connection of the this. So here for connection of this, give the IP. We can consider any IP bus. Here I am consider IP address 192.168.10.1, and mask network subnet mask. Sorry, subnet mask is 255.255.255.1. Sorry, 2.0. So this is the IP address 192.168. Okay, this is completed, and we don't want to shut down, so use command no shut down. Okay, no shut down. So this is the established. So here I'm going to the setup of DHCP. For this exit. So we can router configuration, and now use the IP DHCP DHCP DHCP. Okay, DHCP pool. voice, but here I'm taking my name. Okay, because people my name. Okay, here I'm taking my name. This is the okay. Then I'm going to the IP network of this DHCP, that is network same IP address what I use. So subnet mask and this copy paste here, copy paste. So this is the okay, and I'm going to the give the default router, that is default router, sorry, default anything problem. Okay, default router, that is default router. Okay, default router, what is the default router? That is same 192.168.10.1. Okay, this is the default router, and now option 150 IP same 192.10, sorry, 168.10.1. So this is the DHCP connection is now I'm going to the telephonic service, that is exact. So telephonic service, for this use the command telephony service. Okay, telephony service. So this is the command of telephony service. So I'm going to the give the maximum how number can we dial, that the command max gn 5, and how many number I wanted to receive, 5 number, that is max uh, earphones earphones max earphones 5. Okay, so 5, and now I'm going to the IP address of this telephone service, that is IP source address, IP source address. And what is the IP address? 192.168.10.1. So this the, but here I will have to give the port. So how many maximum port we can use? 2000. Maximum 2000 port we can use. If you want to see that, you can question mark after this, and you can see, but no need to this. So 2000 IP address, because now I am to the assign number, auto assign how 4 to 6. Okay, but here I am going to assign 1 to 5, sorry, 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Okay, so this is the assign. Now telephone solution. Now I'm going to the connection between first IP phone and router. So simple, uh, exit. Okay, and I'm going to the last step, that is a connection between this and this. So connection, I'm going to the give ephone. Okay, ephone slash dn first, ephone slash dash d1 first, and I'm going to the number. What is the number? My roll number is I can give any number. I'm going to the give 55. So this is the and after this now can see the connection is established or not. Yes, this is the connection not established, line number 00. So give this not set. So first disconnect this. First, if it's not showing, so disconnect this. Okay, disconnect this. No, 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 no. Disconnect this. Disconnect this. And now I'm going to keep this IP phone first and connect this from this switch. Connect this 01. So yeah, this is the cable. We connect the cable first. So disconnect cable. Now okay, set. Now see, not what is the problem? I don't know. Everything is correct, so why not is taking? Okay, you can see here that the connection is established. There's some problem, it takes some time, so you can give the connection is established. You can see there is the gateway is connection, line number is connected, so all thing is perfect. So I'm going to the connection between second IP phone and router. So for this I'm taking the wire, this wire is here, and switch, and this. Okay, okay, switch, and okay, connect. So here we can connect, and for second, uh okay, and connection is cable is established. No, 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 connection is established. Okay, so connection is established, you can see here. Okay, is green. So router, you give the router, so like you can take second. Okay, second. So for okay, enable. Okay, configure terminal. Okay, and we want to iphone dn second. So and if I want to the number, that is number is you can consider 56. Simple, 56. So this is the completed. So you can see this the showing or not, no showing, take some time for this. And yes, you can see that line number is showing gateway. So I want to establish a connection of third, one by one. If you connect, then it will work. Okay, now this is the connection between this and this. So you can go port one, enter. Okay, exit ephone configuration, ephone slash tn third, ephone number. If you want to the number, you can take 57. Sorry, 57. Simple. Okay, 57. So see here the connection is established or not. Okay, I'm not giving the connection of cable. So cable connection. Okay, this is okay. Now okay, now you can see the connection. It takes some time, don't worry, it will take some time. After that it will set up. Okay, yes, this is set up. Now connection between this fourth and router. Yes, this is a connect. First connect the terminal. Okay, if this terminal is connect. Okay, this terminal is connect. You can see here is the green signal. So you can take simulation and go to the router and connect to the establish of the this. Okay, I'm going to the fourth. 1 minute. Yes, this is the fourth. So yes, to exit. 1 minute. Exit ephone dash dn 4, and this time I'm going to the no, 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 something. Yes, yes, right. This time I'm going to the number of 50 58. Okay, 58, number 58. Any number you can give. I'm going to give number 58. So this connection should be established. Yes, here showing the phone has registered, so you can see here that phone is registered. Okay, now last phone I'm going to the connect from switch. Okay, connect, go to the and attach with its cable attached, green signal, so you can. Okay, it's good. Now going to the router, it's registered, enter, exit. Okay, now ephone slash tn 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5, and I'm going to the number, that is number 59. Okay, 59. So it should take some time, and after that it will establish. When it establishes it shows. Okay, don't worry, it will take time, and after that it will establish. Okay, not set, it will take time. What is the problem? Don't know. It will take time. ephone 5 and oh, sorry, this is the wrong. No, this is the ephone DL5, not registered. Why? I don't know. Okay, so all the connection is registered, I think. So here I'm going to give the demo. If I this is the line number 5 5, this is the 5 6, and this is the 5 7 5 8. So here I'm calling from 5 5 to 5 6. Okay, GU. Okay, if we dial this, the IP address 5 6. Okay, let's go. It's calling to the 5 6. Okay, it's coming to the 5 6. If I want to say 5 6, okay, this is the 5 6. Yes, it's calling from 5 5. Okay, this is the, I can cut this number. Okay, now I'm going to the calling from 5 7, 5 to 5 to 5 7. Okay, call 5 to 5 7. Okay, let's ring. No ring. It will take time. Connected. Okay, what is the problem? 5 6. No, 5 7. It's will calling. Okay, let's cut this number. Okay, 5 7. You can see here. Okay, it's calling 5 7, and if I want to see the 5 7, so it's ringing and it's call come from 5 5. So if I cut and I want to call from 5 7 to 5 5. Okay, let's see it's working or not. 5 5. So it's good, it's working. And if I want to simulate, this is the working. If I want to simulate, you can see here. Okay, yes, this is the message is forwarding everywhere. So it's working, and this connection is established, and this is the uh, I think enough. And here I'm going to conclude this session. And um, I want to give my introduction. My name is Pradeep Kumar Maurya, and I am study. I am studying VNIT Nagpur, MTech first year student, communication and communication system engineering branch, and my roll number is 11. Thank you.